Okay, so I'm going to go over the banana because there's something a little bit different that'll happen with this line here. It'll be a little bit different than what we've been doing in here. So I'm going to go over the banana sword. I'm going to change the sword a little bit to down here. I think it'll look better if that goes all the way around like a D. So we're going to start with the banana. We'll do it the same as before. We're going to use our path. We're going to go over the outside tool. Okay, I'm going to do this a bit quicker than before. Okay, hang on, let me make sure I'm clicked on that. Okay, there it goes to there. Okay, I have a problem here, but that won't matter because actually our handle's going to cover that. So all right, actually Control Z. Okay, so I'm going to click that. That's a straight point. Click it there, and we're going to fix that. So we're going to go to here, here, to here. Now we've got a bit of a funny thing happening there. I'm going to make that one round. No, Control Z. Ah, that's right, because we had there. Let's see what we got there. To the shape of my banana, like that. Oh, look at that. Look what that does. So we're going to drag that up. Drag that one back a little bit. All right. Still a little bit too far, but I want to. Well, it's a bit tricky, isn't it? Okay. All right. So there's our banana. I'm going to fill it so that it's yellowy color. Not that. It's like a non-ripe banana. All right. So there it is there. That's my banana. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my shape of my handle over the top of that so we can't see it. So the thing about this here is there is a black line, and that's why I was creating this video. So I'm going to turn the opacity down to 50 so I can see through it, and there's this black line here. So what we do is we're just going to click path here. I'm just going to click to where I haven't got anything. Click there, drag it so it's that round shape. Go enter. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn our fill on to 0. We don't want to see any fill, right? We just want this black line. And my black line, I want to make it a bit thicker. So what I do is I change that point there. As well as that, do we draw that other line? How does that look? Let's have a look at that. So I think that looks all right. We're just going to go with that. All right, so there's my line on my banana. All I did at the end there was I just pushed enter to finish that line off. So I drew that line, and then here, after I clicked, I pushed enter, and then what that did was that finished that line off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my handle. Okay, I'm going to do this pretty quickly. Again, so enter, continue to there. Whoops, where's my pen? Click to there, to there. Okay. Got a bit of a funny thing happening with the shape, but we'll fix that in a moment. Make that one round, and we'll finish that one with a bit of a roundness. Okay, so we've got a bit of a funny thing happening here with the shapes. So what I do is I click on my select tool, and we're going to go in and fix this. So zoom in a little bit, and what I do is I just play with the handles till they're at a nice and smooth place. There we go, that's nice and smooth. That there. This one here was a bit funny, so I'm going to pull that up so that it doesn't go far down. This one here could be a little bit more like that. Let's have a look. Let's zoom back out again so we can see what it looks like. Make it a bit thicker. Pull that one up a little bit. This here, between these 2 points. That one there. Can we make that one flat? There we go. By clicking that, that'll make that one flat. And now we're looking good. Maybe that one, not so much. Okay, so that's created my handle. I want that handle to be silverish. Silver. Alright. And then what we're going to do is the other part of the handle is going to be pretty straightforward. It's just going to be, let's go. Oh, Control Z. What's happening here? Okay, so at the moment I'm clicked on something. I want to click away from it so that I don't have those dots there, because what it's doing is it's creating another image. So now all I'm going to do is just going to draw this here, this here, this here, and then this here, but I'm going to make that the same shape as that one. Okay, and we're just going to make that black, and that's going to be our handle. All right, so now what you can see is we've just got to fix this banana up a little bit. In this point here, you'll see we've got these points here, and it's kind of going down and it's affecting our shape, because if we want to make this shape here, we've got to kind of like edit that a bit, and what that does is it pulls us around, and it's kind of funny. So the reason for that is we have to make such a big curve down here, pull this, that pulls that all the way down there. So what we want to do is we want to add another node in the middle here. So we can just click there when we're on this tool and it will add a node. And what that means is this one here, all of a sudden you'll see that gets smaller. All right, so because we don't have to make such a big curve to get that shape. So if you find it's creating too much down the bottom here, all you do is you just add a node in between. And here too, in between here, we've got, I mean, we can change this handle so that it covers everything, but we can even add another thing. See, that goes and comes up with a minus symbol. So if I click there, it creates another one there. And what that'll do is it'll get rid of that part there. And see, we don't have big handles to pull. And because this is behind there, it doesn't stand out so that it's too obvious, kind of like this is covering this, so we don't have to worry about what's happening down the bottom here because we don't see it. So I'm going to change this to 100, the opacity, so that it looks like banana. And now our pirate has got a banana sword, like that. And I'll click off and there you can see he's got a banana sword. Interesting, right? Actually, one thing about the top of this banana is usually it's black up there, isn't it? And I haven't done that. So I'm going to add to my thing there. And it's just really quick. I'm just going to click on that. Just going to go top, 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 and up here, and top. And we're going to make that black with our fills. There we go. There's the top of our banana. Looking good. Pirate's got a banana sword. Brilliant. And that's it.